My name is Sarah Garthouse. I'm the BIM specialist at Kjww Engineering. The majority of our work is in healthcare, infrastructure, government, and education. We work with really geographically dispersed teams, and one of the tools that's really been able to facilitate that process is the Revit server. And using Revit server has enabled us to work in the same files at the same time, which personally I consider a technological miracle. We're gaining more clients and we're gaining more projects as a result of that. Kjww is working on a hospital project that was first construction in 1901, so some of the oldest plans are actually drawings that are kind of falling apart as we pick them up, so we're having to rebuild them into our program. We also have a variety of CAD plans that we're having to link in and use for part of the building, and then the newer additions are all in Revit. So the fact that we're able to use Revit helps bring us all back into the same file. It helps us all see all of that data in the same place, and it helps us react to design decisions that are being made by other disciplines. It's very important to help us collaborate and coordinate and communicate with each other. One of the tools that we use very heavily is Navisworks. We are exporting all of our Revit models on a regular basis and doing clash detection and forcing our engineers to really look at the entire model, every discipline, everything gets turned on in the same place at the same time. And we have so many people now who are saying that they would never ever go back to the way that we did things before. It's so much easier to collaborate, it's so much easier to communicate, it's so much easier to visualize your design.